Let's take a look at someone else's PDOs. So in this case, I've got a USB-C power brick here connected to the wall, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it to port 5. We'll see as it comes up, CC becomes active, and then we're getting rules here. So notice that we're on the remote sync, and remote source. So this is a power supply, so I wouldn't expect it to be able to sync any power, and so it doesn't have any sync rules. But we can see here that it does have source rules. It has five of those. 5, 9, 12, 15, and 20 volt rules are capable here. So what's really interesting about this is we can actually start to manipulate this PD block. So maybe we wanted to test it. And so we can look at here to this RDO control. We can actually control which index is selected. So I can select index 2 being for this 9 volt fixed rule, and we can confirm here that it did go to 9 volts. And the same as we start stepping through all these rules, we can manipulate the PDOs that exist here. You'll notice that we're not getting any current. One of the cool things that the USB Hub 3C can do is it can actually route its power of each port out through the back of it. Now here I've got a little adapter board connected to a simple resistor, but this could be a programmatic load or something as simple as this. Now to control this, you need to go to the system window, which has little rail control on it here. These rails correspond to the port. We are on port 5, so port 5 will be what I use for the load. So we are on rule 1, 5 volts. I'm going to go ahead and enable this rule, and we'll see we're now taking that current, and that current is coming in through port 5 and being routed out the back to a simple load. Now I'll step through these pretty quickly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Seeing 20 volts, 1.3 amps that we are testing that wall wart. I'm gonna go ahead and back that back down and turn it off. This is just one example of how you can load test a power supplying device.